everybody, Miss Bunny here. So each of you had strips, and I wrote on my strips in cursive what I'm thankful for. You, with your strips, you can write it. You could do it in cursive if you know cursive, or you could draw pictures of what you're thankful for. But you're going to need at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things that you're thankful for written on these strips. Then what we're going to do, because we're making a placemat, we're going to take our paper and we're going to gently fold it in half, the big paper. And we are going to cut slats in our paper. Not cutting all the way, we stop. Notice how I'm stopping at the same point each. Now that I've made strips in the whole thing, I'm going to open it up. Now notice I had strips in the whole thing. Now I'm going to start weaving these strips into my placemat. So I'm going to go under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over. So that's one. And we'll do the next one. The next one, since that one was over, this one's going to be under and over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. You see how my writing is creating a little bit of a pattern in there. So the next one, because that's over, I'm going to go under now. Under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. That's under, so now I'm going to go over, under, over, under, over, under. Okay. Now I have a placemat. Now I have my gratitudes placemat.